Hey there folks, this little video here is for all of you chiropractors out there that are using ChatGPT to create your content. Now Chat's a wonderful tool, I use it a lot, but here's the challenge. You might have heard of the Turing test there as well. It's developed by a really clever mathematician, computer science guy, who was testing to see whether robots, computers, AI could be almost human-like as well. Now, even with how amazing AI is right now, most humans can still tell when they're dealing with a robot, a computer, AI, okay? This means your community, when you're writing emails, putting together video scripts, when you're using ChatGPT, they know it's not you, it lacks authenticity. And when a video lacks authenticity, you lose trust. You don't create that connection through those mirror neurons, and you don't provide that safety base, okay? So you've got to make sure that you add you into it as well. Now, you can do that by sharing what's unique about you, your mission, your vision, telling personal stories, case studies, stuff like that, okay? So use ChatGPT, but make sure that you infuse it with what's unique about you as well, and your results will really improve.